So I got up this morning and I was anxiously awaiting that Seestar update. And so I turned on my Seestar, and I did turn it on for this video. I don't have it turned on, but there was no update to be had. If you want to check on what update you have, you just click it. Well, since it's turned off, it doesn't do it, but you can just go into the settings of your Seestar, and there's a link there to tell you the about your Seestar and your update version in the settings of the Seestar. And there was no update there. And so I went to the App Store, and if you click on your profile picture in the top and then click on the apps, then click on My Apps, you can scroll through all of the apps that you have. And you see I have a whole bunch of dumb apps. And here's the Seestar one, and it just says open there, not download. And so if I open it, it just opens the Seestar app. If there was an update there, it would tell you. Let me see if I can find one that does. A lot of these ones that say to download next to them, they probably have updates too. It may be apps that I deleted off my phone, so they aren't automatically updating. But it would tell you there if you had an app that needed to be updated and allow you to do the update. Well, there was no such thing. And so I did go to the ZWO, Astro.com. And all signs of the app update are gone. And so I don't know exactly what happened with the update. My guess is they announced it or put it on here and then found there was a bug in the software that they had to fix, so they pulled it. I'm not sure. I'm just assuming that's probably what happened. Making a little guess. I did also go to Seestar.com, see if there was any news there. You can click on these and get the downloads, and then it tells you here about the app, and it's just version 2.6.1 with no information about the new update that was coming out. So I really just don't see anything. It looks like they have pulled the update, and so it's not going to happen like we thought. We can click on the iOS, and it does Android or iOS, and it doesn't tell us anything about a new update being available today like it was supposed to be. So my guess is that when they were running it internally with their testing sites, they ran into a problem and had to pull it for the time being. My guess is it will come out fairly soon, because usually if it gets to the point that they're announcing that it's available tomorrow and it doesn't, if they find a bug, they're going to pull it. But they don't scrap the whole idea. They just go in and fix the problem, and then they'll release it. So my guess is it should show up soon. It's just probably not going to happen today. If it does, that would be great. I'm anxiously awaiting a few of those updates, but we'll have to keep our eyes open and see what happens. But as of now, I don't see any sign of it. I even went to their YouTube channel. I searched all over trying to figure out what happened to it, but I haven't gotten any information about why it was pulled. But as far as I know, it should be coming out soon, just because that's how the nature of these things work. So don't get discouraged. It should come out soon. We just keep imaging and keep enjoying our Seestars until those updates come out, and it's usually a good thing. If they pull it, that means they most likely found some issue in one part of what they were deploying or how it would interact with certain devices. And so pulling it is sometimes a good idea because they don't want to cause any problems. You know, their goal is to make us enjoy the Seestars. You know, they want to sell Seestars. So they don't want to deploy an app update that isn't going to make everyone happy. You know, nobody causes a problem on purpose. And so hopefully that update will come soon. I'm really looking forward to that repeated go-to in the plan function. That will be awesome, and I'm excited to try that. And once it does deploy and I'm able to try that, I'll do a video explaining it and trying it out and doing some experiments with it. So that will be fun, and I'm looking forward to doing that. But as for now, hold on a little bit. Just take a breath. Enjoy your Halloween if you celebrate Halloween. And hopefully there's clear skies for everybody. Thanks for watching.